It comes with what, 20 grand worth of mods? Because to modify LS is not cheap.
Oh no, I had my boy look at it. He even said like, dude, you're set.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And the heads-up display. See, in track, the steering wheel is super stiff.
But I got used to it. I'm pretty much.
We're going to angle here a whole lot. Okay. Here we go. No scrape. That's good. The pops.
I know.
Because normally they'd pop stock too.
Yep.
Here's the supercharger. You ever been passenger in it before?
I have.
Okay.
When I came into the shop, everyone drove it. Literally.
Oh.
Yeah, so I went for passenger.
That's not even close to the limit. Alright. Holy shit, the pop. Alright, make a U-turn quick. Because the rain is coming down too. So we gotta hurry up. Oh. You're even low throttle is trying to spin up. Take it through the turns. Holy shit. And that's with traction control kicking in. Because it ain't getting grip. Because I've driven the, what you call it, the 1LE that I told you through there. Holy shit. She angry. It controls the wheel spin good though. Holy crap. Damn, bro. Holy shit. Alright, hopefully we had first the rain so we can do a full pull. The suspension is super stiff too. In the other modes it soften up?
It's softened.
Oh.
I keep it in track mode always. Basically set up. It's better for me to keep it in track.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what it do. Holy shit. Holy shit. Bro. Holy shit. I saw them flashing lights. I'm like, maybe
Yeah,
make
I'm
a
like,
U-turn.
make a U-turn. You don't want to get pulled over. I got pulled over once, but the guy was real cool.
Holy shit, it feels so. Because on anything, when you race, which roads do you do? Have you raced it yet?
I've raced a couple.
You on the third to second gear downshift, you hear that supercharger. I know. Yo, that's sick. All right, I'm gonna put it back in drive and I'm gonna floor it. I know it's not gonna get grip, but let's see how long it takes to get grip. See how fast we can get before we have to brake for the light. Holy shit. I love pops. Chris,
This shit's fun.
I'm in love. I'm in love, bro. Holy shit, it's super nice. Guys, I like this ZL1. Especially with the power level, it's super fun. Yep, I like it. I like it. Go follow my boy, Chris. Chris, what's your Instagram?
Bandicoot ZL1.
What?
Bandicoot _
ZL1. Yep, go follow the Instagram. I'm gonna leave it in the description as well, cause yo, this is lit. And it's super freaking fast, bro. It's super fucking fast. Yo. Little pops. One last pull, ladies and gents, and then we go end this one off, man. The shift lights. Yep. Yo. Yep, I like it, bro. And then, as you said, it doesn't make any more noise.
Nope.
Super quiet.
Yep.
Can have a low ass conversation.
That's
Yeah.
how you get all the people.
Yeah, because they don't know. Because you're chilling, they're like, okay, stock ZL1. Then you go on it, they're like, oh, not a stock ZL1. Yo, bro, I like it, bro. I never expect to like it as much as I do.
That's me too, especially the color at first. I didn't like it, but then it grew on me.
Yeah.
You don't see an orange one.
You know the thing, on Instagram it doesn't look orange.
I know, it looks kind of like a red color.
Yeah.
Which is even better.
When you park it, it turns off the lights. Holy crap. Let me get a thumbnail of this interior. Is there any screen that can pop up on this that show anything with the car? Like any details? Or track or anything like that?
That'll be over here, actually. So it does that. Oil temperature, oil pressure, things like that.
Ooh,
And then
okay.
if it's in track mode, it kind of does that.
Oh, it shows you which handling you're in and everything. Oh, you got a wet mode?
Yeah, but I never like to test it. This shit's fucking spins.
Yeah, so every other mode it's just gonna spin. Oh, that's with traction fully off.
Yeah, pretty much.
Now we drove it with traction on just now. I mean, it surprisingly it didn't get grip instantly, but it doesn't spin like what I was expecting it. I expected it to be like fully sideways at 100.
Nah.
It actually grips. Guys, I like it. Should I turn it off or leave it on?
You can leave it on.
Guys, let me know what you guys think of the Camaro. Open the bonnet again. Let me show them what it looks like under there. As I said, the rain was coming, so we just hopped in the car and we dipped. We went for a drive. It is on E, right?
Yeah.
What, full E85 or E50? Little bit of both. Okay, so like an E mixture, not full E85, but a little E mixture. And then look at these tires, bro. Yokohama's Fado tires. Listen to it, chocolate, yo. Yeah, guys, I mean, shout out to my boy Chris for pulling up. I appreciate it, bro. This man had a BRZ, a WRX, and now the fastest ZL1 in town. Damn, don't play. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe for more, man. What's just spinning?
Oh, this shit's fun.
Let's see. To the exhaust, you know?
It has headers and pretty much non-resident.
Oh. So no cams?
No, it has a cam.
Oh, it has cams on it too? So it chops.
So, yeah, it's choppy. I've heard the stock one, and this one's choppy.
Yeah?
Better than the stock one.
Oh, shit. Guys, let me know what you guys think about the ZL1, man. As you guys know, I love the Z06, the Corvette. I always wanted one, and then I end up buying the Hellcat instead of it. So I love the Z06. To see such a fast ZL1, bro.
Yeah, and then I cruise it.
Yeah, and it's calm.
It's calm.
Making no noise.
Like no noise.
And then when you want it to be, you put down your foot and it becomes a... Yeah, it wakes up.
So I get Hellcats sometimes. They try to mess with me at 392s.
Yeah.
The moment I open up a little bit, they're like, oh shit.
Don't worry.
Like, with 392s. And
Yeah. Oh, scat packs for sure you're gonna drop them so quick.
yeah.
Even stock Hellcats, cause this make 800. Stock Hellcats you're gonna drop too.
Yeah.
You'd have to be a well-tuned up Hellcat. Damn, this should be a good race, huh? To me and you?
Yeah.
My Hellcat is? That'd be a good race, bro. Shout out to my boy Chris. Let's see. Do your thing. Holy shit, I heard the first suck, and then you hear all the exhaust. Again. That shit sound crazy.